This is question number 12 from chapter number 4, which can be found on page number 75 of the book. The question says that determine the capacitance to neutral in microfarads per kilometer of the three-phase line with three cardinal ACSR conductors equilaterally spaced 7 meters apart. What is the charging current of the line in amperes per kilometer at 60 Hz and 100 kV line to line? So because it's mentioned in the question that the conductors are equilaterally spaced, it means that D1 equals to D2 equals to D3, which will be 7 meters or 700 centimeters, which will be the same as our D equivalent. And because it is cardinal ACSR, so we can get the DS from the table, which is the second column or the outer radius column. Remember, we will use the outer radius in case of capacitance. So the outer radius from the table for cardinal, you can get it. It will be 1.51892 centimeters. The permittivity of air is the same, epsilon naught, which is 8.85 multiplied 10 to the power minus 9 farads per kilometer. And the formula that we will use to calculate the capacitance to neutral will be 2 pi epsilon naught over natural log of D equivalent over ds. So by just substituting the values of all the variables and constants in this formula, we will get the capacitance to neutral to be 9.07 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 9 farads per kilometer. But the question was asking us to calculate it in microfarads per kilometers, so the only thing left is to just convert the farads into microfarads. And how can we do that? Just write the number, the value in farads per kilometer, and multiply it with 10 to the power 6 microfarad over 1 farad, because these two are actually equal to each other. So we multiply and divide with the same quantity, and then we can cancel farad and farad from here, and then you will be left with the unit of microfarad on the top and kilometer at the bottom. And the extra thing that you have to do is multiply 10 to the power 6 with this number, and then you will get 9.07 multiplied 10 to the power minus 3 microfarads per kilometers. Now the line-to-line voltage in the question is given as 100 kV. We will convert it into phase voltage or VA by dividing it by square root of 3, because we will actually be using the phase voltage to calculate the charging current. The formula for the charging current is actually I charging is equal to J omega capacitance to neutral and voltage to neutral or phase voltage. So we already know J and 2 pi F will be instead of omega. 60 Hertz is given to you in the question. Capacitance to neutral already calculated. But in here, in this formula, we will actually use the farads per kilometer value because of the units. We have to be careful about the units, because the voltage is in volts, which is 57,735, and then farads into voltage will actually give you ampere per kilometer, and then you will just multiply these values, and the I charging, the charging current will come out to be J 0.2 amperes per kilometer, which was actually asked in the question.